And thanks for staying with us today. Veterinarian Ryan Steen in with us. To start off with, introduce us to who you brought in today.
This is Dodge. He's an 8-year-old neutered male Bashan that's looking for a home. And he's actually got a sister, a housemate, Angel, who's a little bit younger, female spayed, and they'd like to go to the same home if possible. So a couple of good dogs. He travels well and is real friendly. So he'd be, both of them would be a great fit for a home. At Cedar Rapids Animal Control.
Very
so if they
good.
call Animal Control, they can go visit the two of them and see if they're a good fit.
He's just chilling. He's just hanging
great.
out. We aren't able to take questions over the phone, unfortunately, but we do have a few on Facebook that we wanted to ask you about.
Okay.
Eric asked about, he has an older cat, a 14-year-old neutered male, and he wonders that if increased thirst in urination with no other symptoms might be a sign of diabetes.
It very well could be. Increased thirst, increased urination is a sign of a lot of different conditions, however, so it could be a number of other things. And so going to see his veterinarian and having some blood testing and a urine test done, very likely able to get to the core of the problem. But the symptoms of diabetes are increased thirst, increased urination, and weight loss.
So certainly something to check out.
Absolutely.
With some additional testing. Megan asked, she has a 7-year-old dog with an ear infection for the past year. She's tried drops, she tries cleaning it out twice a day, and it hasn't helped. Do you have any suggestions?
Yeah, ear infections are rarely just occur on their own. They're usually secondary to something else, and it could be like a thyroid problem, hypothyroidism, or more commonly allergies. Food allergies would be very common if they got allergies going on right now. A food allergy would be a very common cause, and so that'd be something she could talk with her veterinarian about. There are food trials that can be done. You have to be diligent about them. It can take 8 to 12 weeks to do them, and have to be really specific about what you feed them. It doesn't work just to change brands of food, because we're really trying to target the ingredients, not really the brand. And so, but I'm sure her veterinarian could give her some excellent suggestions on that.
She's probably looking for any kind of answer. She says that the dog whimpers and makes his ear bleed.
Yeah,
so.
it's really, ear infections can be really problematic, and so, but it's amazing. If you can identify the allergen that's the cause and you eliminate that, then the results can be, really rewarding.
Sure. Well, Dodge again available at Cedar Rapids Animal Control with a housemate who'd also like to go with him. So give them a call if you're interested in adopting. Dr. Steen, thanks so much for coming in today.
Thank you.
And coming up tomorrow, our